Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and avoiding accidental reinstallation. Back up any playlists or offline tracks now. Once done, disable Play Store auto updates for Spotify so it won't reinstall the update automatically. Next, go straight to Settings, Apps, find Spotify, and open its app page. This gives you access to Storage, Uninstall, and the three-dot menu where the uninstall updates control lives. Act quickly, because leaving auto update on will reverse progress. Now remove the update. Tap the three-dot menu on Spotify's app page and choose Uninstall Updates. This restores the original factory app version and clears the new code. If that option is not present, uninstall Spotify entirely and prepare to reinstall an older APK you trust. Make sure you enable Install Unknown Apps for the file manager or browser you'll use. You're doing this to replace the updated package with a stable release, so verify version numbers before installing. Finish by installing the desired Spotify APK or letting the factory APK remain. Sign back in and restore any offline files. Make sure Play Store Auto Update stays disabled or restrict updates to Wi-Fi only to prevent another forced update. If problems appear, crashes, missing features, clear app cache and data, retry Uninstall Updates, then reinstall. As a last resort, consider a full factory reset, but only after you export data and understand that's irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.